Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes of 3.
Today we're talking about recovering from backsliding.
So, backsliding in business is never a good thing, and it can happen to any business. So let me give you a little story. So you're pressing along, you've got a good product going, you got a good business going. A lot of this stuff on the surface is great. It looks like you have everything pulled together. And then all of a sudden you hit a wall. You hit a wall in your mind. Some people call that burning out. I call it a wall. I say, that's what I call it. It feels like you're, and you just don't know how to press ahead. That could be a problem. It could be an obstacle in life that has just shown up. And then you've killed all that forward momentum, and now your business is backsliding quick, fast, and in a hurry downhill, right? And how do you stop the bleeding?
That is the question.
That is the question. How do you?
Mm-hmm.
So the mentality is really where it hit you and where you need to change. You need to assess at that point in time when you hit that wall and when you're feeling your business slipping. Right, you're feeling it slipping, it's not going in a direction that you're wanting. Maybe it's not backwards, maybe it's just to the left, right? You don't want to go left, you want to go right. And I know I'm pointing the wrong directions, right?
Yeah.
But point is, it's going the wrong direction and you want it to go the other way, right? You need to assess how you got to that point in time of where you're at, because all backsliding businesses usually start a good year in advance. A good year in advance. You picked up a job, you didn't quite really enjoy doing it, but it made you good money, right? And then you just kept chunking away at it, and then before you know it,
into a type of work you didn't want to, and it just started consuming more and more of your time, and now you're not focusing your energy elsewhere on what you actually want to be doing. Yeah,
and I call that just soul-crushing work is what I call that. And so, again, maybe that's what it was for you, right? And chances are a lot of backsliding businesses is because of that. And it takes that moment in time where that flag or that wall is thrown up in front of your face, right? For you to get burnt out on that enough to decide that you're going to make the change. So when you feel like your company is going downhill, quick, fast, in a hurry, the quickest way to stop the damage is to understand what got you there, change that thing, and then run as fast and as humanly hard as possible as you can in a completely different direction. That is really the only way to keep it, because, again, no one else is going to keep your business on top. So that's it for this 3 Minutes at 3.
Thank you for joining us.
And as always, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.